Hello friends, let's quickly see how to use the rest parameter of es6. Let's go to the code base, and what we have currently is number field, basically two number fields, number 1 and number 2, and a button to do add summation like this one. So we'll type in number 1, then type in number 2, then hit submit. So it is going to give us the result. Let's write the code. So we have a calculate function here accepting two parameters, number 1 and number 2, and just converting to float and just sending the summation of these two numbers. Let's call this function. So here we have the add button, it's calling do some function, and here you will get the values. This should work. Let's see. 1, then 3, then click on add. It is showing correctly. Now in scenario, suppose I need to do summation of multiple numbers. So how do we do that? So in this scenario, we can use the rest parameter. Let's do this. So now instead of changing existing function, let's write a new function. So it's function doing the same work, but in this case we will have one input field, and we'll give the values in that input field only using comma separation. Let's do that. So we'll add a field here. Say let's add it here. Boot type it will be text now, and ID would be number, right? And then there will be a button to do sum, and in this case it will be do sum with the rest. Now we got that value, right? So here okay, let's write this function again. So we have written this function now, and this is accepting numbers as an rest parameter. Now we can console log this and we'll see what is coming. So basically the numbers is coming as an array here. It will be an array, and just using array.reduce we are just doing the summation and sending it back to the calling function. Let's do this. So if I want to call this function, we will be sending like this. So let's try. Let's comment this out for a second. Okay, now run this one. So 3, 2 and 1, it's giving the correct result. We pass it here, right? So same way what we can do, we will pass the comma separated value from our input field. We have taken the numbers as an string here, but to make it as a 1 2 3, we will do split, and then we'll spread this one, so it will become 1 2 3. And now we're calling the same function, and it will give us the summation, and we'll just show in the output field. Let's try this out. So 1 2 3 4, okay, 4 4 8 9 10. Yep, as you can see it's working, and it's coming as individual entity, individual element, not one string. So that's the use of straight operator. It is very helpful in such scenarios. So that's a very quick short video. Hopefully this will help you to understand how to use the rest parameter. Yeah, thank you.